G'day guys, and welcome to another lot of Cisco questions, and we'll be doing some switch security today, and let's get stuck into it. Welcome to the channel if it's first time here. 480, what command is used to disable a port on the switch? So we got shutdown port 5, shutdown, port 5, shutdown, disable. We're not told a specific port, so we can probably get rid of port 5 as an option. And to do this, you do shutdown. So the answer there is B, and you've got to be in the interface configuration mode, of course, as well, which I believe all of those were. 481, you have been asked to configure port number 4 to only allow the system that is currently connected to the port access to the network via that port. What Cisco switch feature would you use? So we got maximum MAC addresses, MAC address table, STP, sticky. The first two don't really look right. And I'll just straight up give the answer. This is probably a memory question. It's D, sticky. Sticky is what does as described. 482, which violation mode would you use to disable a port when an unauthorized device connects to the port and have the port disabled until the administrator enables it? So you've got restrict, shutdown, protect, disable. So violation mode, use disable port. Yeah. Okay, so the answer for this one is B, shutdown. So you'll often see whenever anyone's disabling a port or shutting down a port, it'll go administratively down, which sort of specifies that. 483, which feature allows you to control which workstations can connect to a specific port on the switch? Port mirroring, VLANs, port security, MAC address table. Which feature allows you to control? So specific port would mean port security. Only makes sense. 484, you are trying to connect a system to a port on the switch but having no luck. You use the show interface F05 command to view the status of the port and receive the output shown below. What should you do to allow the system to connect via the port? So we got change the MAC on the port, change the IP on the port, alter the MAC address table, enable the port. So if you take a look here, it's administratively down, line protocol is down, so disabled there, and so it's not working. Looks like it's disabled, so you would re-enable it. So enabling the port will fix our problem there. 485, you wish to limit which device can connect to each port on the switch by configuring port security with the MAC address of each system currently connected to the switch. What command would you use? So this one is simply known as syntax, and we've got switch port, port security, MAC address sticky, switch port, port security, MAC address sticky, port security, MAC address automatic. So if we remember before, what sticky represents is only allowing device connected to a specific port with a certain MAC address connected to the switch would be related to that. So therefore, A is the correct answer. Switch port, port security, MAC address sticky. So that all describes that. 486, which of the following port modes supports the port security feature? We've got secure, trunk, access, and workstation. The access mode, I'm just giving away the answer. The port mode is access. A lot of these are sort of rote memory. They sort of are what they are. There's no rocket science as to why they are the way they are. 1 + 1 is 2. So excuse my lack of explanation on these ones. You would like to configure port 5 on your switch to allow only one system to connect to the port that uses the MAC address of 1s, 2s, and 3s. Which of the following configuration would you use? So we got a few configurations there, and it's a matter of obviously you want to check for the configuration. There's no interface on A, no interface configuration on A. You need to be in an interface to connect so we can automatically wipe that one away. And then you've just got to look at the order of operations really, so they go into the interface together. Security type mode access, so we can get away with trunk. And then, pretty much B is going to be the answer. That's simply the syntax. 488, your manager would like to use a single system on the network for monitoring network traffic. You have connected the monitoring system to port 12 on the switch but you are unable to monitor network traffic. What do you need to do? Select 2. So connect the monitoring system to port 1 on the switch, configure port security and configure VLANs on the switch, or configure port mirroring on the switch. So I'll give you the answers for these ones and then just run through it. So it's A and D. Connect the monitoring system to port 1 on the switch. Port 1 on the switch is what's required for monitoring to take place. So therefore that requirement needs to be satisfied, along with port mirroring on the switch. What are we doing again? We connect the monitoring system to unable to monitor network traffic. Yep. All right, and yet port mirroring is the other correct answer there. So that's all, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video and appreciate your time. Subscribe away, like the video. I really appreciate you guys joining in, and I'll see you on the next one.